In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself through using TikTok for business effectively. If you're venturing into the world of digital marketing on TikTok, or perhaps looking to expand your needs in TikTok advertising, you're definitely in the right place. Let's get started by logging into your TikTok Business Center. This platform is your hub for managing ad campaigns and gaining insights into your marketing performance on TikTok. Once you're in, you'll notice the dashboard tailored for managing your business needs. Now, the next step is to select your ad account. Once you've done that, look toward the top right corner for account settings. Here, the goal is to initiate the verification of your business account. Verification helps establish your credibility as a business and is often a requirement to access advanced features and insights. Within the account settings, you'll see an option that says Verify Now. Go ahead and click on it. In case your account has already been verified, you'll see a verified status right there. For those who are diving into the verification process for the first time, there are a few critical steps you'll need to complete. First, you'll have to enter some basic business information. You'll start with selecting your entity type. Options typically include sole proprietorship, corporation, and others. So choose the one that fits your business structure. Next, fill in your country, business name, and optionally, your company website if you have one. The next step involves uploading verification documents. It's essential to prepare a digital copy of an acceptable verification document. Make sure all text is clearly legible, as this is crucial for the approval process. Supported file formats include JPEG, PNG, JPG, and PDF with a maximum file size of 10 megabytes. Double check that you've adhered to this size limit before uploading to avoid any processing delays. Once your document is uploaded, hit Submit. What happens next is TikTok's part. They will conduct a review of your submission. Generally, this process is pretty fast, typically wrapping up in less than 24 hours. Keep an eye on your email because that's how TikTok will inform you about your approval status. And that's it. You've successfully completed the process to verify your TikTok business account. With your account now verified, you're all set to unlock the full potential of TikTok's business tools, allowing you to fine-tune your ad strategy and amplify your brand's presence on one of the world's leading social media platforms. Thanks for following along today. Don't forget to leave your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments below. Be sure to stay tuned for more guides and tutorials that will help you make the most out of your digital marketing efforts. Happy marketing, and see you next time.